the tub. Jetted tub.
You guys just get here?
Yeah. R&D custom jetting. Let them use it.
You should be back anytime. So I gotta go walk around and stretch my legs a little bit.
R&D. Well, there's my son. R&D jetting. Look at that. Talking to customers. Uh-oh.
Yeah, you ready? Watch.
Look at this. Isn't this a jetted garbage tub?
Yeah.
Put your pets in there, your small children, and you got yourself a spa. And look at that. It's made by R&D, Richard and Deb.
It's nice.
Go ahead.
It's
I'm
nice.
just listening to him.
This is nice, but when you sit in it, it could be uncomfortable. It's different. I mean, there's so many different bathtubs. So they got 200 on display. You can buy one, and we can put the jet system on for you. We can put the jets where you like them. We can, you can sit in the tub. You can sit back on it like exactly what they give you. It's definitely within the dimension.
We need to know how much to allow to sit the thing in. So we allow 4 feet wide.
So it's going to be a drop in?
Well, we're going to have something like this with jets and that.
You don't need anything. In other words, it's just like installing a normal jet. It's normal jet. Okay, so you don't have to make it out any wider than normal.
So your framing's going to be all underneath?
Yes. Well, you're going to have a little bit of support on some of it, just depending on what you're going to do. You put a mortar bed underneath. Is it going to be up against the wall? You got 3 walls going? 2 walls? That's actually better. 2 walls. You
2 wall and a vanity running through.
Move it, drain if you need to. Bigger